See you in the garden. I'm out here trying to figure out where the frogs are. Can't find them. Somewhere there. Anyway. I'm trying to find out what sort of frogs they are, but I'm not successful. More than likely they're in the compost, which is to the left of me behind the barrier there. So I'm checking for any evidence of rats or mice here. This is where Russell the rooster resides at night. This poor old girl's on her last legs. That's why she's on the bottom. I find it really interesting to see how the pecking order changes, the hierarchy. So the chooks in charge are on top, on the highest rung, and as the older ones get older, they sort of move down, and as the younger ones get older, they move up. The chook on the very bottom is the oldest. When I first walked in, she's 8 or 9 years old. And she's right on the bottom rung now, and it won't be long, her life will be over. That's just what they do. Sadly, she'll die of old age.